welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to be showing my journey to Namibia. I got the opportunity and honor to represent Zimbabwe again this year at the Africa Genesis Archery World Tournament, and yeah, you know, I love archery, so I really enjoyed that experience just representing my country, and I decided to vlog it. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Yo, it's too early to be awake. Anyway, our flight leaves at 7, so we're meant to be at the airport by 5 o'clock, and so I had to wake up earlier. I just want to be asleep, yeah. Anyway, yeah. Let me get ready, because if I don't get ready now, I'm gonna be late.
Don't take it off from me, please. These things, they don't come easy. Some come to take it easy. Need you to come and see me. Don't wanna leave ya. Space is full of believers. Hide and go like a fever. Won't forget like amnesia. Oh, I feel alive right here. And the time it passes by, I feel alive. I feel alive. Oh, I feel alive right here. And the time.
So we've arrived where we're staying, and it looks like an attic. An actual attic. Busi, it looks like an attic, right?
It doesn't look like one, it is.
Oh well, what can we do? Okay, so it's day 2 of our stay here, and yeah, unfortunately we're still at this amazing looking place. Anyway, today we're going to go for a team building like by the beach, and after that we're gonna go for practice to prepare for the next 3 days of shooting. The competition starts tomorrow, so yeah, for some reason I've lost all my excitement. Crazy, but I hope by tomorrow I will have motivation again, because I need to do well. So yeah, I'm just gonna get ready now.
Today we're watching National Shoot live at 3D. Let's take a look at the scene.
Yo, we just made it to the semi-finals. How are you feeling about making it? Why?
I want to sleep.
How are you feeling?
So good.
How
listen.
How you feel?
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Amazing. Hello, vlog. Life is so boring. Why do I look so hideous? Because you are.
just running my marathon.
Hey y'all, so today's our last day and we are returning to Zimbabwe. Yeah, I'm currently in the bathroom because I look weird. I woke up, I showered and I was about to get ready. Then they told us we could go to the mall, so I chose the mall and I just went looking like, yeah. So I just need to fix myself up a bit, but yeah, I'm so excited to go back home, but I'm tired and I have to go back to school tomorrow. So I'm going to ask my parents to stay at home and go back on Wednesday instead. So hopefully they agree. I'm praying they agree. But yeah, I haven't had much time to like film myself like talking to you guys because I was in a room with like 5 people this time, not my own room. So yeah, that was a bit awkward to then be filming. But I did try my best. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get ready and then I'm gonna go check in and go.
I survived all the things I thought I wouldn't when I wanted to. Only reason I'm singing is cause you held me tight. You're the God who heard David's cries and now you do mine. Only reason I'm singing is because it's okay not to be okay. Didn't wanna stay despite what they said. Only reason I'm singing is cause you held my hand. You're the God who heard David's cries. You're the God who heard David's cries.
Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I for sure enjoyed filming this and editing the vlog, so I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. This will be my last video until like 7 November because I'm writing my final exams, guys, so I have to lock in. I'm so excited to like finish high school. Like, I have so much excitement, but I'm also like tired like at this point, but I know I just have to keep going and to just like push forward so that I finish, because I'm so close to the finish line. So yeah, I need to lock in and get those straight A's for my finals. So yeah, this will be my last video for like a month and a half kind of, or 2 months, around there. So yeah, I hope that you guys, if you're writing exams, have a great exam season. And yeah, just go back to like my exam tips video because it has also last minute tips and just how to cope during exam season. I'm wishing all the best to all the candidates, and even if you're not a candidate, you know, I hope that the next 2 months are amazing. So I will see you guys at the beginning of November. Bye.